Welcome back to Healthism, your go-to channel for all things related to health and well-being. I'm your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier you. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition, and I'm excited to share some invaluable tips and insights for all you beginners out there who are ready to take control of your health. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so you never miss any of our expert-backed health content. Alright, let's get started on our path to better nutrition. Remember, health is a journey, and every step you take towards better nutrition is a step toward a healthier and happier you. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. Nutrition for beginners. 1. Eat a variety of foods. Consuming a wide variety of foods ensures you get a diverse range of nutrients. Different foods provide different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for your health. 2. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and provide more nutrients than highly processed alternatives. Prioritize fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. 3. Portion control. Portion control is crucial to prevent overeating and maintain a healthy weight. Learn to recognize appropriate portion sizes, and be mindful of your body's hunger and fullness cues. 4. Balance your macronutrients. Aim for a balanced intake of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables over refined carbohydrates. Proteins. Include lean protein sources like poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and nuts in your meals. Fats. Opt for healthy fats found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish while minimizing trans fats and saturated fats. 5. Hydration matters. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water daily, and adjust based on activity levels and climate. 6. Limit added sugars. Added sugars can contribute to weight gain and various health issues. Read food labels to identify added sugars, and choose foods and beverages with minimal added sugars. 7. Watch salt intake. Excessive sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure and other health problems. Limit processed foods and opt for natural flavorings like herbs and spices. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. 8. Fiber is your friend. Increase your fiber intake to support digestion and maintain steady blood sugar levels. Incorporate foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes into your daily meals. 9. Be mindful of meal timing. Establish regular meal patterns to avoid extreme hunger, which can lead to overeating. Aim for 3 balanced meals and, if necessary, nutritious snacks in between. 10. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods often contain unhealthy additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors. Opt for whole, minimally processed foods whenever possible. 11. Pay attention to food labels. Understanding food labels helps you make informed choices. Look for foods with shorter ingredient lists and ingredients you can pronounce. Check serving sizes and note the calorie and nutrient content. 12. Practice moderation. Enjoy indulgent foods occasionally, but in moderation. Savor these treats rather than overindulging. Recognize that treats can be a part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation. 13. Cook at home. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and cooking methods. It allows you to choose healthier cooking techniques and experiment with nutritious recipes. 14. Plan your meals. Planning meals in advance helps you make healthier choices and reduces the temptation to opt for less nutritious options when you're hungry. Create meal plans and shopping lists to stay organized. 15. Stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest nutrition guidelines and research. Nutrition science evolves, so it's essential to have accurate information to make informed dietary decisions. 16. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have specific dietary needs, allergies, or health concerns, consider consulting a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance and recommendations based on your unique circumstances. Remember, improving your nutrition is a gradual process. Focus on making small, sustainable changes over time to build a foundation of healthy eating habits that will benefit your long-term health and well-being. That's a wrap for today's nutrition tips for beginners on healthism. I hope you found these insights helpful and are feeling inspired to make positive changes to your diet. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And, of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting health and wellness content coming your way. Until next time, take care and prioritize your health.